Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, because here you will be able to do it automatically, not manually. So after tapping on the on this option, you can see that here we've got some basic and advanced options settings. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also safety passwords, auto-fill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, just like I have it. And here we have to change, we not have to, but we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just on clear data, confirm it with clear, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to remove browsing data in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.